If you want to use Link to Windows on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to open Settings. Once you go to Settings, then we should be able to go to More Connectivity Options, and then in here we can find the Link to Windows. So now over here we can sign into our account that we use on our computer, the Microsoft account of course, or you can just sign in using the QR code that we can get on our PC. Of course, grant all the necessary permissions. And now let's move on to the PC. So over here you want to open the Phone Link app, which is the app that we use in order to connect with a Link to Windows app. Over here we're gonna choose Android, of course. You will generate a QR code and you want to scan that QR code with your phone. Now on your phone you want to tap on the continue button, and then we need to enter a code that is being displayed on your computer in the Phone Link app. You might also need to go through like an additional verification step where you will have to enter the password to your Microsoft account, or maybe you will have to get a code from the email and so on and so forth. Of course, grant all the necessary permissions once you, of course, get access. Over here, there we go. Let's just proceed. We need to also keep going over here. We can add the Link to Windows app to the app screen if you want to, but that is not necessary. And there we go. Now on the computer we should see that we are all set, so we can just click on continue over here, and then we have the welcome message, so let's just click on get started. There we go, and we should be able to try to connect. Of course, if we are offline you can just click in order to try to connect over here, and also we have a couple of options and a couple of additional settings that we can go through, like for example we can finish setting up notifications and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.